Crypto Chronicles, navigating the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. If you've ever wondered how the backbone of the digital asset world operates, you're in the right place. Join us as we uncover the secrets and intricacies behind cryptocurrency exchanges and how they power the global economy of tomorrow. Learn how to choose the currency exchange that will best suit you. Cryptocurrency exchanges are privately owned platforms that facilitate the trading of cryptocurrencies for other crypto assets, including digital and fiat currencies and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Key highlights. 1. A cryptocurrency exchange is the most popular place to transact in cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. 2. There are two types of cryptocurrency exchanges, decentralized and centralized, and each has benefits and drawbacks. First up, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, CEX. CEXs act as the go-between buyers and sellers, and centralized cryptocurrency exchanges profit from commissions and transaction fees. A CEX can be thought of as the stock exchange of digital assets. The top cryptocurrency exchanges are Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, and KuCoin. These exchanges function similarly to websites or applications for stock trading, enabling cryptocurrency investors to buy and sell digital assets at the going rate, known as spot, or to place limit orders, which are executed when the asset reaches the investor's chosen price objective. Buy and sell orders are listed and arranged by the intended buy or sell price in CEXs, which use an order book system. The exchange's matching system then pairs sellers and buyers according to the best executable price, considering the required lot size. Therefore, the price of a digital asset, whether it be a cryptocurrency or fiat currency, will be determined by the supply and demand of that asset relative to another. A tiny amount of comfort comes from the possibility that dishonest digital assets may be barred from CEXs, as they have the authority to determine which digital assets they will permit trading in. Next, decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, DEX. Another kind of exchange that enables peer-to-peer transactions straight from your digital wallet without using a middleman is a decentralized exchange. PancakeSwap, Kyber, DYDX, and Uniswap are a few DEX examples. Smart contracts, self-executing bits of code on a blockchain, are the foundation of these decentralized marketplaces. Compared to a centralized Bitcoin exchange, these smart contracts offer greater anonymity and reduced slippage, another word for transaction charges. However, DEXs are only appropriate for experienced investors since, although smart contracts are rules-based, the user is left on their own in the absence of a middleman third party. Advantages of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. 1. Dependable. For trade and transaction security, centralized exchanges provide an additional degree of dependability and security. Centralized exchanges provide greater levels of comfort by facilitating the transaction through a developed, centralized platform. 2. Easy to use. Beginner investors can trade and invest in cryptocurrencies comfortably and familiarly with centralized exchanges. Users of centralized exchanges may access their account balances, log in, and conduct transactions through websites and applications, in contrast to the more complicated peer-to-peer transfers and cryptocurrency wallets. 3. Leverage. The ability to leverage your investments using borrowed funds from the exchange through a process known as margin trading is one of the additional advantages of some CEXs. Higher gains are possible for investors, but losses may also be magnified. 4. Fast transactions. One of the key factors contributing to the popularity of centralized exchanges among investors is speed. In addition to facilitating complex trade kinds, the speedy transactions will enhance user experience. Disadvantages of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. 1. Transactions fees. In contrast to peer-to-peer transactions, centralized exchanges frequently impose hefty transaction fees in exchange for their convenience and services. These prices can rise significantly when engaging in high-volume trading. 2. Risk of hacking. The businesses running centralized exchanges are in charge of their clients' holdings. Large exchanges are a target for theft and hackers because they typically handle Bitcoin valued at billions of dollars. Exchanges that are centralized are vulnerable to intrusions and security lapses. Past high-profile occurrences, like the MTGOX hack, have cost customers a great deal of money, which led to its failure. 3. Digital asset custody and fraud risk. Finally, and perhaps most significantly, the majority of CEXs will not permit you to store your private keys in your digital wallet. Instead, they will hold your digital asset as a custodian in their digital wallet. There are disadvantages, such as the possibility of fraud and the centralized cryptocurrency exchange failing, even though trading is more easy. The failure of the $50 billion algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD and its sibling token Luna, the bankruptcy of lender Celsius Network, broker Voyager Digital, hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, and the abrupt collapse of FTX and Alameda Research are a few recent examples. Advantages of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. 1. Keeping market manipulation at bay. Decentralized exchanges guard against market manipulation by enabling peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading, shielding users from dishonest and wash trading. 2. Custody. Users of decentralized exchanges don't need to give their assets to a third party. Because of this, there is no chance that a business or organization will have a hack, and users can be guaranteed that they will be safer from fraud, failure, theft, and hacking. 3. Reduced censorship. Customers using decentralized exchanges can remain anonymous and enjoy privacy since they are not required to fill out Know Your Customer (KYC) forms. There are more cryptocurrencies and digital assets accessible through DEXs than through CEXs because they don't impose censorship. Actually, a lot of altcoins are exclusive to DEXs. Disadvantages of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. 1. Insufficient fiat payments. DEXs are not ideal for on- and off-ramping transactions involving the purchase or sale of digital assets with fiat money. Instead, they are best suited for investors wishing to transfer between different digital assets. It reduces their convenience for consumers who do not possess cryptocurrency already. 2. Intricacy. Decentralized exchange users risk losing their cryptocurrency holdings irreversibly and being unable to retrieve them if they forget their wallet passwords and keys. In contrast to centralized exchanges, which provide a more convenient and user-friendly process, they necessitate that the user learn about and become acquainted with the platform and the procedure. 3. Problems with liquidity. Centralized exchanges handle about 99% of all cryptocurrency transactions, indicating that they are primarily responsible for the majority of trade volume. Decentralized exchanges frequently have low liquidity as a result of low trading volumes, and it can be challenging to locate buyers and sellers at these times. Finally, what considerations should you make while selecting a crypto exchange? Investigate cryptocurrency exchanges and take into account security, costs, and available coins. Knowing how your Bitcoin is kept and whether you can transfer it to another person to assume custody of it are also crucial. Centralized exchanges are in close compliance with government financial rules, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, for example. Many will want identity verification in order to use the site and ensure deposits made in U.S. dollars.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.